Check this out. This is called Keyzmo. It is made out of 420 hardened stainless steel. It's not gonna rust, it's not gonna break. This thing is sturdy. It is 16 tools in one. I'm the kind of guy who loves things like this, and it's awesome because it's convenient, it's small, it doesn't take up much space. Check this out. Say you have a loose nut on your car, need to tighten it up, just fits right in there. It's that simple, look at that. You need a screwdriver to tighten something? Got one right here. Perfect. Maybe you have a loose string you need to cut, got a serrated edge for that. Also, it fits conveniently on your keychain. I'm gonna get one of these for my dad. It's a great gift. This is convenient. It's so amazing. It's like having all the right tools in one little small package.
All right, I am not the handyman in general, and I find myself all the time in situations needing a tool and not having one. So I got this little guy right here. This is called Keyzmo. It's a 16-in-1 toolkit that can keep you ready at a moment's notice wherever you are at all times.
The Keyzmo key is made with 420 hardened stainless steel, and it won't bend, break, rust, or corrode. Some of its uses include bottle opener. It can be used as a ruler with both the metric and imperial system. It can be used to fasten a screw as a screwdriver or used as a wrench, among many other uses.
This thing works so well and it's so convenient. It's literally a toolbox right in your hand. I wish I knew about this for the first 30 years of my life.
This innovative product is the perfect gift for the holidays. It easily clips to your keychain and has so many practical uses.
Give the gift of always being prepared and get yourself and your loved ones a Keyzmo.
I am an avid outdoorsman. I love being in the mountains. I love hiking. I love rock climbing. I absolutely love it all. I'm passionate about it. But I'm also passionate about being prepared. And that's why I'm super excited to share with you that I've actually found a tool, a 16-in-1 tool like no other called Keyzmo. You need to get one of these today. It's been a massive game changer. As you can see, mine's already on the keychain just to make sure I am prepared. And it fits everywhere that you need it to do. But some of the things that I want to share with you is that one, for example, that is a screwdriver, has a bottle opener, of course, if you're thirsty or you want a beer, you're hanging out with your friends, you want to make some memories. Do that, use that, you can do that. It's made out of 420 stainless steel. This thing can't bend, it can't corrode, and it can't rust. It's pretty impenetrable. So if you're thinking about getting this as a gift for your dad or your brother, definitely grab one today and you won't regret it, because I definitely have not.
So I've had an issue with when I'm out in the outdoors or really anywhere of not being able to bring as many tools with me as I'd like. It's just too bulky and annoying. Or even when I'm home, I always have trouble remembering where I put everything. I'm always on the go for fixing things for friends and family, so it's kind of part of my life. And I'm always prepared when something breaks now. So when I heard about the Keyzmo from my friend, I was really excited to get one for myself. Now, I wish I knew about it earlier. It is a revolutionary way to carry 16 different essential tools with you at once in something so tiny. You can tell it's high quality. It's made with 420 hardened stainless steel that definitely won't bend, break, rust, or corrode. It's so convenient to have with me wherever I go. It's like I have a toolbox with me always. It can do so much. It so easily goes in my keychain. It's a great gift for anyone. If you don't like having a toolbox, this is great because it's small. If you have a toolbox but you want to have something portable, this is great. So it really can work for anyone. Click to learn more.
Hey guys, I got the coolest tool to bring with me everywhere. This is Keyzmo. Now, yeah, it looks like a key, and it's about the size of like a car key, but comparing it to a house key, look how thick that is. This is made out of 420 hardened stainless steel. So it's not gonna rust, it's gonna last, and it's gonna work. It has a ton of cool tools on it. So it has a bunch of wrench ends, it has a serrated blade for cutting, so if you need to cut wire, can opener, bottle opener. It has an end here for an Allen wrench, and a bunch of like a protractor. A lot of cool stuff. The one you're probably gonna use the most, screwdriver, right at the end. Now, this right here is gonna save you one day. It's definitely gonna save me when I don't have my toolboxes. I'm gonna get this as a gift for my brother and keep one for myself. They're awesome. So, that easy. Ready to hit the road.